this is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff, and welcome back to my channel. And for today is, oh, look at my headband and my kitty Kit Kat shirt. Today, guys, is we will do 4th of July tutorials, and it's so weird because last year is the first, no, I think it was last year that the 4th of July makeup tutorials I did last year is the first makeup tutorials I did here in my YouTube, and excited. But I don't know what we're gonna do on 4th of July. I think we're staying home. Sure, why not? They said that all the whatever is going on, fireworks is canceled, so it's a little bit sad, but it's for the better, so stay home, guys. So for today, I already put tape here, so whenever I want like a little bit snatch eyes, I usually put tape, so it's easy to, you know. Usually when I do my eyes, I just wipe the whenever I'm done, and then there's like smudge on the side, I use with what is this, with tissue or with tissue, yeah. So I just wipe them, but today I just want to be like, you know, easy. I'm a little bit tired, so yeah, I have my headband, and like I said, I have the tape. I already primed my eyes, and for some of you that are new in my channel, I always use the MAC paint pot, so that's the one. The color is soft ochre. That's the one that I always use for my eyes. I throw all the eye primer I have because I don't know, I just love the MAC paint pot. Maybe I'm gonna buy a different color because that one is like kind of close to my skin tone. So if I want like to do like smoky eyes, maybe I want to buy a little bit darker color of that. So I don't know if it's gonna be easy for you guys, but I'll try this look to be more, what is this, like a little bit more. I don't think it's really hard, it's just, you know, practice. So yeah, I took too much. I don't have foundation or anything yet. My brows is done, so because I don't know if, you know, it's gonna be messy, I'm not sure. So yeah, and I talk too much, and I'll be back. And of course, sorry, and for this look, of course, I will use my Craze. This is a Fundamentals 12 color palette, and I'm missing the black color. I don't know where I put them, but for this palette, I only use the white color for this to do the line, and then I will use my ABH Norvina collection. This is the volume 1, and for this one, I will use the white, the red, and the blue. This one, but I will show it to you guys when what color I'm gonna use. So for that, let's dive in. That's okay if the white line it has a blue, because we can put more white line later. It's just, you know. So don't worry about that. Just put the blue, and then we can go back and put the white liner up back. So let's go back to the white liner from the Craze palette. So we're gonna line that white line again so you can see it. So yeah, that's it. And we are ready for our white eyeshadow. So we want to put concealer, and I'm gonna do like white and red, half and half. So let's put our concealer here, and we'll put, I'm only gonna put half of my eyes of concealer, because that would be the white eyeshadow, so the white eyeshadow would show. So just, I know I already have concealer in my eyes, but we put more. Why not? Just half. Maybe just here. Yeah. All the way on the top, and don't worry about the white liner. We can put more white liner in there. So and I think that's it. Just half of it. And then we are ready to put our white eyeshadow from the ABH here. Ready? I know it looks crazy right now, but it will come to it. It will come. Okay, and then we are done with our white eyeshadow. Oh, we'll fix that later. We are ready for our red eyeshadow. So we're gonna use this red here, this here, for our red eyeshadow. And like I said, we can always line the white liner on the top, so don't worry about it. Just do your thing. So let's go back again to the white liner. Let's go back. Okay, let's try to put some dots, because I'm not really good in doing stars, so let's do the dots. And whew, I hope it's not gonna ruin this look, but we'll try, guys. We'll try. I only put 13 dots, that is represent for the 13 colonies. So, what do you think, guys? Let's do the other eye. Voila! So let's clean our face and let's put our foundation, and I'll be back. And we are back. Wow, too much energy. So I'm already done, and if you ask what foundation I use the Physicians Formula. What color is this? It's MW2 is the color of my foundation. And what else? My lipstick, of course, I'm using Jeffree Star from the top. That's blue, and the color is YSOTP. And for the red lips is from Lancome, and the color is red Haute, whatever, Haute. So this is our 4th of July. What do you think of my eyes? Oh my god, the other one I messed it up. Oh goodness, I hate when you do the like mascara because your eyes is like watery and then your nose like so that's it, guys. What do you think of my look? It's easy, right? It's very easy. Just kidding. So oh my god, I have you. So yeah, that's it. And if you like my look for 4th of July, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.